In this video, we're going to learn about Philippine money and currency. The word peso comes from the Spanish word for weight, as the currency was originally based on the Spanish silver dollar. In 2010, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, Central Bank of the Philippines, introduced the new design for the 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000 peso bills. This new design features enhanced security features, making it more difficult to counterfeit. The current design of the Philippine peso bills features iconic Filipinos and Philippine natural wonders. 20 pesos, 20 piso, 20 piso, or 20 pesos. 20 pesos. 50 pesos. 50 piso. 50 piso. Or 50 pesos. 50 pesos. 100 pesos. 100 piso. 100 piso. 200 pesos. 200 piso. 200 piso. 500 pesos. 500 piso. 500 piso. 1,000 pesos. 1,000 piso. 1,000 piso. Here are the coins. Be careful, they all look almost identical and the size is also almost the same. 1 peso. Piso. Piso. 2 pesos. 2 piso. 2 piso. 5 pesos. 5 piso. 5 piso. 10 pesos. 10 piso. 10 piso. These are some of the old coins that might still be circulating around the country. Here are some simple vocabularies and phrases related to Philippine currency. Piso. Piso. The Filipino word for peso. Papel. Papel means paper, and it's often used to refer for banknotes. Pera. Pera. Money. May pera ka? May pera ka? Do you have money? Bayad. Bayad means payment. Ito ang bayad ko. Ito ang bayad ko. Here's my payment. Barya. Barya refers to coins. May barya ka? May barya ka? Do you have coins? Magkano? How much? Magkano ito? Magkano ito? How much is this? Sukli. Change. Nasaan ang sukli ko? Nasaan ang sukli ko? Where is my change? Sobra. Too much. Sobra ang pera mo. Sobra ang pera mo. Your money is too much. Kulang. Not enough. Kulang ang sukli ko. Kulang ang sukli ko. My change is not enough. Marami akong pera. Marami akong pera. I have a lot of money. Wala akong pera. Wala akong pera. I don't have money. May 500 ako dito. May 500 ako dito. I have 500 here. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.